In other news, a tentative health care agreement between the Fairbanks North Star Borough School District and its employee unions was reached last week, easing concerns for many that would have been impacted by increased premiums. With that action, the three unions and the school district avoided what would have been a, quote, catastrophic premium increase, according to the Fairbanks Education Association president, Danette Peterson. Under the premium increases initially proposed, some family plans ranged from about $600 to over $1,000 per pay period. The new plan has reduced the cost of the cheapest plan down to about $120 per pay period, significantly decreasing the burden that would have been borne by hundreds of families in the community. A member from the Fairbanks Education Association spoke about the impact the initial plan would have had on district employees.
They would not simply have been able to afford to pay for insurance. So they were making, a lot of people were contemplating, what if I simply opt out of insurance and don't find another insurance provider, which in itself couldn't happen, but that was the choice that they were making, or they were making a decision to no longer work for the district.
The agreement has brought relief to many employees of the school district, as the rates will now be dramatically lower than what was originally proposed. Still, the rates and the measures taken to secure those rates came at a cost for the three unions. They will now lose district contributions to health savings accounts and health reimbursement arrangements.
In order to get the premiums where they were manageable for our support staff, we had to give away $500 of that. So instead of getting that $750, where we each get $250, which for most of us, in an insurance plan that doesn't really cover everything that you need, that $750 was needed for prescriptions, doctor's visits, to pay those other costs that our insurance was not covering. So that's a sacrifice.
School Board President Brandy Hardy says the increasing costs and the agreement exemplify the need for increased education funding from the state government, as fiscal struggles make it difficult to retain staff and provide a quality education to the community's children. These sentiments were echoed by the president of the Education Support Staff Association and the Fairbanks Education Association. Negotiations for healthcare premiums will be on the table once again in 2026.